Hi everyone, welcome here. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create beautiful and vibrant Eid images to share joy and blessings with your loved ones. Eid is a time of celebration and spreading happiness, and what better way to do that than with personalized Eid images? Stay tuned to learn some creative techniques and tools to make your Eid images stand out. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First of all, go to the browser and search for Bing. Open it, and here you go. This is a Microsoft feature, and the interesting thing is you can get its app from the Play Store for your Android phone. Click on the image, and now click on Create Image. Now, sign up with your Google account. Now it's time to generate your beautiful DP. Bing gives you 15 credits every day, and one generation takes 1 credit. One generation gives you 4 images. Now type your prompt here. The prompt I have used is given in the description. Copy that and paste it here. Click on Create. Wait for a while, and here you go. Click on the image. And if you like one, download it or click Create again. Bing will give you more images. Select any of your choices. Now let me change the prompt. You can change any word in the prompt, like the age, the gender, or the color of the dress. Anything. Let me make some changes. Let's say I wanted the color of the dress white, so retype and create again. Wow, really amazing. Now let's change the age of the boy. And you can check the results. These are so cute. Now let me make some more changes. And you can check the result. You can play with the prompt according to your will. Here I want to show you some final looks. Really impressive. If you found this tutorial helpful, then give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.